Hello everyone, this is Teacher JM, and our topic for today is Summative Test Reviewer, Science 5, Quarter 3, Week 1 and 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purpose only, to help pupils to review their weekly tests or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What kind of force happens when two objects touch each other? A. Contact force. B. Gravity. C. Magnetism. D. Electric force. The correct answer is letter A. Number 2. When you push your chair under the table, what type of contact force are you using? A. Normal. B. Friction. C. Applied. D. Tension. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3. Which of the following is the contact force that resists motion between two surfaces? A. Friction. B. Gravity. C. Magnetic. D. Electric. The correct answer is letter A. Number 4. What type of force keeps a book from falling when it rests on a table? A. Tension. B. Normal. C. Applied. D. Pull. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5. When a rope is pulled tightly during a tug of war, the force acting on it is called blank. A. Friction. B. Normal. C. Tension. D. Push. The correct answer is letter C. Number 6. What happens to an object when an unbalanced contact force is applied? A. It remains at rest. B. It changes its motion. C. It loses weight. D. It becomes heavier. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. Which pair shows an example of friction in a daily life? A. Shoes rubbing against the floor. B. Ball rolling on the grass. C. Both A and B. D. None. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. When you write using a pencil, what kind of contact force act between the pencil and the paper? A. Friction. B. Tension. C. Normal. D. Pull. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. What happens if there is no friction between your shoes and the floor? A. You will walk faster. B. You might slip. C. You will stop walking. D. You will fly. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. Which statement best describe contact force? A. It works only at the distance. B. It occurs when object touch. C. It is invisible and unmeasurable. D. It pushes object apart without contact. The correct answer is letter B. Eleven. What is friction? A force that pushes object upward. B. A force that slows or stop motion between surface. C. A pull between the earth and the object. D. A force caused only by liquids. The correct answer is letter B. Number 12. Which situation best shows static friction? A. A ball rolling down on a ramp. B. A shoe sliding on the floor. C. A book staying in the place on a tilted table. D. A feather falling through air. The correct answer is letter C. 13. Which situation best shows sliding friction? A. A toy car rolling on wheels. B. A box being pushed across the floor. C. A coin resting on a table. D. A paper floating through air. The correct answer is letter B. 14. Which situation best shows a rolling friction? A. A wheelbarrow moving along a path. B. A student dragging a chair. C. A book that won't move. D. A paper airplane gliding. The correct answer is letter A. 15. Which situation best shows fluid friction? A. A rock not moving. B. A marble sliding on the floor. C. A bike wheel turning. D. A swimmer moving through water. The correct answer is letter D. 16. Which factor increases friction the most? A. Very smooth surface. B. A light object. C. Rough surface rubbing together. D. Objects no contact. The correct answer is letter C. 17. What happens when normal force weight is increased? A. A friction becomes smaller. B. Friction becomes larger. C. Friction disappears. D. Friction become fluid. The correct answer is letter B. 18. What happens when surface area is increased? A. Friction increases. B. Friction decreases. C. Friction becomes fluid. D. Friction no longer acts. The correct answer is letter A. 19. On which surface will a toy car travel the farthest? A. Rough cloth. B. Bond paper. C. Smooth plastic. D. Rocky sand. The correct answer is letter C. 20. A child is asleep on a newly waxed floor because A. Friction is greater. B. Friction is lesser. C. Gravity is weaker. D. Air resistance increases. The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. 21. All contact force require physical interaction between two objects. The correct answer is true. 22. Friction always helps an object move faster. The correct answer is false. 23. Tension occurs when a string or rope is stretched by opposite pulls. The correct answer is true. 24. A table exerts a normal force on a book resting on it. The correct answer is true. 25. Applied force can be either a push or a pull. The correct answer is true. 26. Wheels make movement easier by reducing friction. The correct answer is true. 27. Friction can produce heat. The correct answer is true. 28. Fluid friction acts on an object moving through air or water. The correct answer is true. 29. Increased friction can cause wear or tear. The correct answer is true. 30. High friction may require more energy to move objects. The correct answer is true. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and click the notification bell for more videos.